American rapper Gunna is in legal trouble due to his connections with the YSL gang, a group of 28 people who are accused of having committed over 50 killings. Reports say he was a shot caller who would tell the people in the group what to do and organize them to commit various different crimes. While in court, he pleaded not guilty to any involvement with the RICO charges. RICO stands for Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, which includes around 35 different crimes. As of right now, he has been denied bond twice and remains in jail, even having spent his birthday there. He will likely be there for a little while longer, as the case is not set to go to trial until January of next year. He also put out an open letter referencing the US Constitution on his birthday, saying that he is not free, but he is innocent. Also talking about his childhood growing up and his relationship with the art and music that he has created over the years. Fortunately for him, his cries of innocence seem to have been received, not only by his fans and other empathetic groups, but by reality television star Kim Kardashian as well. On Wednesday, the Kardashian put out a tweet showing her support for the rapper and her interest in having him released from behind bars. The tweet said #FreeGunna alongside an emoji of free and an emoji of P to say Free P, a reference to Gunna's popular song Pushin' P. While it may seem weird to think that Kim Kardashian, of all people, is going to be taking legal action to help get a rapper out of jail, this actually wouldn't be the first time. If you weren't aware, like I wasn't, Kim Kardashian actually wants to be a lawyer, and over the past few years has been taking large steps towards prison reform. In 2020, she released a documentary titled Kim Kardashian West: The Justice Project, which followed her involvement and advocacy for prison reform. It featured a few different people that she had spoken out about that she believed were overlooked cases and people who deserved to be released from incarceration. With her lawyer, she helped fund some of the biggest campaigns to release certain people from prison. So who has she helped so far, and will Gunna really be next? A 64-year-old woman named Alice Marie Johnson had received a life sentence for a non-violent substance charge and had been in prison for a total of 19 years. Kardashian petitioned directly to then-President Donald Trump and was able to get the sentence commuted, and Alice was released in 2018. Mamalu Stewart was sentenced to life in prison for a crime that took place back in 1997. Despite being only 16 years old at the time, he was tried as an adult, a very common occurrence in the United States, especially for minorities. He served around 29 years before he was released in October of 2019, thanks to Kim Kardashian. While in prison, he had earned a GED and college credits, and Kim was visiting the prison learning about the program when she met Stewart and began correspondence with him. She wrote a letter to the judge to review the case, highlighting Stewart's achievements during his sentence, and he was released. Crystal Minogue was freed by Kim's funding of the 90 Days of Freedom campaign, which came as a response to President Trump's signing of the First Step Act, which banned shackling pregnant inmates during childbirth. Through this, Kim was able to free Crystal as well as 16 other women. Another woman she helped was a woman named Judith, who was sentenced to 35 years in prison for healthcare fraud, being one of the highest ever sentenced women for her type of charge. Her sentence was commuted a few years ago, and she even joined Kim Kardashian at the White House to advocate for other women in prison. So it looks like Kim Kardashian has a long track record of standing up for those who she believes have been wrongly incarcerated or have been successfully reformed by their time in prison, even providing jobs to some of those that she helped release. The list I gave is only a small percentage of those Kim has helped, as she has helped many more, and many that chose to keep their identities anonymous. Many people in the same field have spoken pretty highly of Kim. The lead counsel of the Decarceration Collective saying, "When people get out of prison, they might be incarcerated hundreds of miles from their families, and they might need help getting home. Really important, critical things that people might not realize, and those are things Kim is helping with as well." So judging by her track record, Kim may definitely be in a place to help Gunna with his charges, though as of right now, we don't have any more information on it. But I'll be sure to keep you updated if we learn anything new. I've been your host, Woody. Join us next time for more.